Hello YouTube, Daniel here with Budget Experiments and Reviews, bringing you, obviously, Budget Experiments and Reviews. Now, you might ask yourself, what are Budget Experiments and Reviews? That is a mouthful after all. Well, that means, do you have money? No, probably not. I don't. I never have really. So, we do experiments and reviews that are built on low budget items. For example, experiments using eggs and aluminum foil and reviews on cheap products on Amazon. Well, that is what these videos are all about. And if you're interested in them, please like the videos, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and you'll get all the videos right to your inbox. I will be starting each video with either budget experiments or budget reviews because it would be shorter than using the whole name every time. So keep that in mind. We also do anime reviews and as well as product reviews, obviously, and video game reviews. So keep that in mind as well. Anyway, hope you enjoy the videos.